Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Der Appetit. Are you hungry? How is your appetite? In this lesson, we will learn about a word which may seem already very familiar. As you've guessed, der Appetit means appetite. But there are more interesting things and uses to learn about this German noun, so stay tuned. Der Appetit. Der Appetit. Der Appetit. Der Appetit. Der Appetit is a masculine noun, meaning same like the English version of the word, appetite. One more reason to learn it. There is no plural. Let's check out some examples with this word. Guten Appetit. Bon Appetit, or literally good appetite. Nach seinem großen Frühstück hatte Martin keinen Appetit auf Mittagessen. Martin had no appetite for lunch after his big breakfast. Heute habe ich einen großen Appetit auf Süßes. Today I've got a big appetite for something sweet. Die Bären haben einen großen Appetit auf Fisch. The bears have a big appetite for fish. Warum hast du mir diese Fotos gezeigt? Mir ist der Appetit völlig vergangen. Why did you show me these photos? I have completely lost my appetite. Ich habe keinen Appetit mehr. I have no appetite anymore. Omas Kekse regen den Appetit an. Grandma's cookies awake the appetite. Es freut mich zu sehen, wie Adam mit solchem Appetit Obst isst. It makes me happy to see how Adam is eating fruit with such an appetite. Today we've learned about the word der Appetit, which is a masculine noun, and there is no plural form for this noun. Similar to the English version of the word, der Appetit means appetite, the will or desire to eat something. And now quickly check your knowledge with a little exercise. Connect the phrases with their translation. Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!